Hey y'all, and welcome to So Crafty. Today I wanted to show y'all how to make these cute stuffed bunnies. They are so easy and fun to make and perfect for Easter. Here are the supplies that you need. You need a bunny template, fabric, stuffing, and you can embellish them with ribbons and pom-poms, and those are optional. I got my templates from the computer. I just Googled bunny template, easy drawing, and I chose the shape that I wanted and printed them out. And then I put it on two pieces of fabric that are right sides together, and I just traced around each shape. And again, I did put the two pieces of fabric right sides together and just put the shape on top of one side, and I just used a marker and traced around it, or a pen. Then I just sewed around that line. It makes it easier to sew it, and I just followed the line, and then I left an opening at the bottom, about a 2-inch opening at the bottom so I could turn it right side out and stuff it. So there's my opening. I finished sewing it up. Now we're going to trim all the way around it, leaving about 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. And as you're trimming, try not to cut your seams. And then when you get through trimming all around it, you want to clip your corners, you want to clip the curves, so it'll lay flat or it'll look right when you turn it right side out. Otherwise, it'll all kind of bunch up. So anywhere you see a curve, just just clip it, put a little notch in there, and that will help when you turn it right side out. Okay, now I am turning it right side out, and this might take a while, but just do the best you can. You can get it done. And I also have a little stick that I'm using to push out my ears and push out your corners, and there it is. Okay, now I'm going to take some stuffing and I'm going to stuff it, and you can stuff it as much as you want or as little as you want. It is your decision. And if you want it firm, stuff it a lot. If not, you want a little squishy, don't put so much in there. Now they're all done. Here they are. I've added some ribbons, and I made on the back, I put a little pom-pom for their tail, and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and give me a like. Thanks so much for watching.